Hello dear student, welcome to Sanjeevani KBP Polytechnic. I, Victor KS, going to take assignment in the form of video. We will discuss certain numerical as well as contents of electrochemistry. If any of the topic or a line or a concept is remained, that we will complete over here. Now very first question in assignment. According to Faraday's second law of electrolysis, do you remember Faraday's second law? The law is the weight of substance deposited or liberated at an electrode is directly proportional to their chemical equivalents. So what will be the answer? In following options or in given option, you need to search for chemical equivalent. It may be called as equivalent weight. So got it? It is answer is chemical equivalent. Now second question. During electrorefining of blister copper that is impure copper, the anode mud obtained consists of, means whatever impure copper we are dissolving, when it dissolve, then only pure copper migrate towards cathode and impurity settle down. So the question is about impurity. Impurity, that is mud, गाळ जो खाली बसलाय त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? The mud consists of iron and silver, gold type of elements or metal as a anode mud. So your answer will be iron, silver, gold, copper, iron, silver, gold, etc. other than copper. Now third one, numerical ahe. If 96,500 coulomb, it means 1 Faraday of electricity is passed, then weight of silver deposited is 108 gram. म्हणजे अर्थ झाला 96,500 कुलम एवढा जर चार्ज किंवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास केली तर 108 ग्रॅम सिल्वर डिपॉझिट होतो. देन कॅल्क्युलेट द वेट ऑफ सिल्वर डिपॉझिटेड इफ वी पास 9650 कुलम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और चार्ज. तर तुम्ही काय करताय, ऑन पेपर यू आर गोइंग टू राईट 96,500 करस्पॉन्ड्स टू 108. म्हणजे 96,500 जर 108 ग्रॅम डिपॉझिट करताय तर 9650 विल डिपॉझिट हाऊ मच. मग आपण क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतो. 9650 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 108 gives you divided by 96500. It gives you 10.8 gram. Now see on the board only or on the screen only, that is 9650 multiplied by 108 divided by 96500. It comes to 10.8. Got it? Okay. Now fourth one. In Daniell cell, the cell reactions are irreversible. काय आन्सर असेल तुमचं? Irreversible. कारण की Daniell cell is the example of primary cell in which zinc is anode, copper is cathode. The cell reactions are irreversible. Next, electrochemical equivalent. Unit of electrochemical equivalent is, so what is the unit? Do you remember that? The unit is gram per coulomb. For coulomb you will write capital C. Now next one, the chemical reaction in the primary cell is again irreversible. Irreversible, it means they can be followed only at once. They are not reversible, म्हणजे त्या परत मागे फिरत नाही. They only know the path of forward reaction. Now seventh one. When two dissimilar metals are electrically connected, the more active metal becomes anode and gets corroded. म्हणजे corrosionचा question आहे, but you can have in electrochemistry also, that is don't dissimilar metal like zinc and copper. If they are connected, then who is more active? Zinc is more active. And what zinc will be? Zinc will be anode. Now next, in Daniell cell, anode and cathode respectively are made up of, anode and cathode कशाचे आहेत? The Daniell cell is combination of zinc and copper. Zinc is anode and copper is cathode. Okay, this is the standard pair. You remember it for long time. It is helpful in electrochemistry as well as in corrosion. Now we'll go for ninth question. The weight of substance deposited 1.34 gram. W ची value आहे. W is equal to 1.34 gram. कॅल्क्युलेट करंट इन एम्पियर, तुम्हाला आय काढायचंय, और यू मे कॉल इट एज सी, करंट काढायचं आहे एम्पियर मध्ये. when the process of electrolysis is carried out for 10 minutes, t दिलेले 10 minute, you need to convert this 10 minutes into second, that is 10 into 60, 600 second. and ECE दिलाय, ECE म्हणजे Z, electrochemical equivalent. ECE means what? Z. given data लिहिला की फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. फर्स्ट E is equal to W is equal to ZIT. तर Z दिलाय, W दिलाय, T दिलाय. You can directly go for what? I. Okay. Solve it on your own. Now 10th question. The electrolyte which will conduct electricity due to migration of ion is, the electrolyte which will conduct electricity due to migration of ion is, in given option you need to search for an electrolyte like NaCl, copper sulfate, etc. as they have ions, they are strong electrolyte, they have ion, and hence they conduct electricity due to migration of ions. Okay. In the following or in given option you need to search for electrolyte like NaCl, copper sulfate, H2SO4, etc. Now next, calculate the equivalent weight of substance if electrochemical equivalent is 0.000329. म्हणजे ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती Z ची, कशाची व्हॅल्यू ही Z ची, आणि तुम्हाला इक्विव्हॅलंट वेट म्हणजे E काढायचं. तर ओनली वन फॉर्म्युला इज देअर, E इज इक्वल टू FZ. तुम्हाला Z दिलेलं आहे, तुम्हाला F माहिती आहे. व्हॉट इज F? F इज 96,500 कुलम. मग F आणि Z माहिती आहे, तर यू कॅन डायरेक्टली गो फॉरवर्ड E. It will be around 32 or 31 point something. Now next question. During electro refining of blister copper, anode and cathode are respectively made up of. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर इलेक्ट्रो रिफायनिंग करताय इम्प्युअर कॉपरचं, ब्लिस्टर कॉपर म्हणजे इम्प्युअर कॉपर, तर एनोड आणि कॅथोड कशाचे आहेत? तर एनोड इज इम्प्युअर कॉपर, दॅट इज ब्लिस्टर कॉपर. एनोड इज ब्लिस्टर कॉपर and cathode is pure copper plate to collect pure copper. Got it? Anode is blister copper and cathode is pure copper plate to collect pure copper. Now next question, 13 number. Secondary cells are also called as rechargeable cell as they have reversible chemical reaction, hence they can be charged for number of time, hence they are called as rechargeable cells. Now next is 14 number. The substance which in their aqueous or molten state produces ion and allows electric current to pass through them are known as electrolytes. कोणताही पदार्थ जो आयन देतोय आणि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करतोय either in aqueous or in molten state, that matter or that substance is called as electrolyte. Next is the product obtained at cathode during electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate using copper electrode. Now remember guys, at cathode deposition take place and at anode oxidation, that is dissolution take place. मग कॅथोड वरती काय होणार आहे? डिपोजिशन होत आहे. तर डिपोजिशन कशाचं होईल? कॉपर सल्फेट मधून कॉपरचं. दॅट इज ऍट कॅथोड व्हॉट यू विल गेट कॉपर ओनली. That is same question as that of what? As that of electrolysis of copper sulfate solution or electro refining of copper sulfate solution. Now next question is 16 number. Sodium hydroxide is considered as a strong electrolyte in the aqueous solution as it gives maximum ions. It gives more ions. The electrolyte which ionizes completely or to greater extent or to more extent are known as strong electrolytes. Sodium hydroxide is one of them. Hence, it will be sodium hydroxide is considered to be strong electrolyte as in aqueous solution it gives maximum ion, it ionizes completely. Now next 17 question. Representation दिलेले आहे. रीड कसं करायचं सांगितलंय. Zinc in contact with zinc sulfate solution, zinc ion solution. Copper in contact with copper sulfate solution. आणि ह्या दोघांमध्ये डबल लाईन आहे. डबल लाईन इंडिकेट सॉल्ट ब्रिज और पोरस स्पॉट. and the overall representation is of Daniell cell. The overall cell reactions or representation is of Daniell cell. Okay. Remember guys, you need to attempt assignment in this way. There are conductors like metallic conductor or ionic conductor. When electrolyte conduct electricity, they conduct electricity due to presence of ions. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask directly on through phone, which I am going to provide you. Thank you.